So today we're going to make a really easy potato soup in the crock-pot, which is a great idea, especially I think on Sundays when everybody's trying to get ready for work and school. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have all your ingredients, which is pretty easy to do because there's only 4. It's frozen diced potatoes, 32 ounces of chicken broth, 2 cans of cream of mushroom, and about half a cup of onion chopped. So I'm just going to put the potatoes into the crock pot, and then I'm going to open my chicken broth and pour it over the potatoes. And any kind of chicken broth is going to work just fine. Some people like to make their own stock, or you can buy cans. I usually just buy the off-brand. It tastes just as good to me as a name brand. Then you want to add your diced or coarsely chopped onions, what I would call this container. And then your cream of mushroom soup. So this is going to be 2 cans, and this is what really makes your soup delicious. This is a healthy soup because it's made with the broth and the potatoes are whole. In other words, they're not processed. They've just been chopped already for you, which is very helpful when you need an easy dinner. And this soup is a real crowd pleaser. It comes out creamy with the cream of mushroom, and it has a very delicate taste to it. The mushroom doesn't stand out a whole lot. I have at one point included some raw mushrooms. I sauteed them and put them in, but I found that to make it a little too mushroomy. Whereas with this soup, I would guess that people wouldn't even know what kind of canned soup you would put in. In other words, you can't really tell that it's cream of mushroom. And amazingly, after it cooks for about 4 hours on high, it has a consistency as if there is cheese in it. But I don't put any cheese in this soup until the very end. And then when I'm serving it, I'll put a little cheddar on top. And you can also have, say, scallions diced for people who like those on top of their soup too. But that's it. It's 4 ingredients. Put it all together in your crock pot. Put it on for, I would say, 2 to 4 hours on high until your potatoes are softened, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy.